Alright, so here I've got everything stained up. I just wiped them down a little bit. You see a little bit of the wood shown underneath, but I really let it dry until all that stain is pretty dried in. And then what I do is I do a little distressing on it, basically just to suit your taste. I mean, I like very little with these. I mean, you can use a sander if you want. If you got a lot of pieces, you can use a sander, but I just like to use my hand a little bit to kind of get a nice little worn look on it. I don't go crazy. I like to see that dark color, and what's going to happen is once you put your poly on top of this, it's really going to pop to life. Just leave a lot of that dark on there. You can do this in any color, like I said. This is General Finishes Walnut Stain. I like the dark color. That, this is what the customer chose for this anyway. And so you can do a lot or a little. Like when I have places like this, where there's this beautiful, beautiful grain here, I try to do a little bit more just to bring out that grain, to emphasize those nice little rings. And when you stain that will pop. Really just beautiful. So these two pieces here, this one in particular, I really like the grain structure on this one as well. I'll try to get the edges a little bit just to create a little bit of contrast between all the slats on here. You can see when these two pieces are put together and then polyed, it's really going to be beautiful grain. And this one, I got a lot of these saw marks on here like this, which are really beautiful, and that's really what I like when I do any kind of reclaimed wood project. It really brings out the beauty of that wood. And like I said, you can sand a lot, you can sand a little, some places a little bit more, just kind of give it that worn look. That's what I try to do. I got those places like that, and you really see how that grain really pops. I do that, so it's really just beautiful. Now this grain structure right here is just absolutely stunning. It's really beautiful. I want to try to get some of these little stickers, splinters off as much as you can. That's just going to stick up and give you a full finish. Alright, so those are all sanded already to my liking. And this one here is going to be really beautiful. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but once you see the poly on that. Okay, next we're going to put these inside the bookcase and show you how that goes.